Cooking with Logan. Today we're making summer berry bark. So what you'll need is some vanilla Greek yogurt,
Plain.
some honey, some pure vanilla extract, berries, a big bowl, some measuring cups, a pan, a paper.
It's parchment paper.
And so first step is to take some of the yogurt and get one.
How many cups are of yogurt?
2.
Okay.
2 cups. I got some on the side.
Maybe use your mixer to cut it to even it up.
Oh yeah.
There you go. I think that's fine. Why don't you just go ahead and put that one in?
Okay. And we're using whole milk yogurt, right?
Yes. We're using whole milk because and you can have non-fat Greek yogurt plain if you like, but I find that the whole milk freezes better because the non-fat is more watery.
So after you put the 2 cups in, the next step is to get 1/4 of a cup of honey. So the next step is to put 1/4 cup or 60 milliliters of honey into it. We're using raw and unfiltered honey.
You probably need to turn that all the way upside down.
Yeah.
There you go, and squeeze it that way.
You could really use any type of honey, but this is like the only honey we had.
Well, it's the healthier honey.
Yeah. Is it the only honey we have?
We have another, but it's raw and unfiltered too.
You might need to get your parents' help to squeeze it because it might be a little hard.
There you go. I think that's fine.
Okay. So now you pour it in.
You probably get that scooper to get that all out.
Yeah. And it might be stuck to it, so it's good to get a spoon or a scooper to put it in. So the next step is to put a 1/2 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract or 75 milliliters.
It might, yeah, hold it. There you go. Oh, there you go.
So get your parents' help because it might go all over like that. So after you're done putting them in, mix it. So the next step is to pour all of it on here. Make sure you get your parents' help because it could be heavy.
Our dog has decided to greet us. Go, Luna.
And make sure your pets don't get this.
All right, then you spread it flat. Make sure it's on the parchment paper. There you go.
You might need to hold the parchment paper.
Make sure it doesn't go on the metal, just the parchment paper.
Yeah. So after you got it spread all on here, the next step is to start putting the berries on. And I forgot to say, make sure to wash your hands before you do any of this. If you want to make a face or something, you can. And if you make too much and you don't want to put any more on there, you could just eat the rest if you want.
So Logan, after we put all the fruit on here, what is our next step?
To put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. The longer
The fridge or the freezer?
The freezer, sorry. The longer is the better.
So it's better to leave it in probably maybe overnight, anywhere from maybe 4 hours, 5 hours, but just to be sure, overnight, I think.
And also make sure to not put it too close. Don't put it like this. Put it at least this far. And like I said, if you run out of room, that's okay. You could just eat it if you want. Thank you. Bye, guys. Hi, guys. It's the next day. So my mom took the summerberry bark out of the freezer. And if you want, well, to save it, you take it, you put it in a sandwich bag, and you have to leave it in the freezer the whole entire time unless you're going to eat it or put it in the sandwich bag. So now I'm going to try it. It's good. Thank you. Bye, guys.
2 things we learned. Push the fruit down into the yogurt before freezing, and if you want it sweeter, add powdered sugar after freezing. Thank you. Bye, guys. Enjoy.